So y'all, I'm just chilling, man. But I am gonna start this credit series right here on this couch because I'm not about to get up and get with that doggone stand and put over there on that doggone living room table. Anyway, credit is important if you're looking at buying a car, house, anything that's of value, man. And after listening to Grant Cardone, man, you need to get your money right. You know what I'm saying? So it's all about buying things that cash flow. But anyway, so working on my credit, and basically I got with a local credit repair companies called Credit RX, and they're cleaning up my credit and everything like that because I got bankruptcy like back in 2015, man, and mine is all jacked up. Like I ain't paid like some bills in like 2 years or whatever. So now I'm catching it up, getting everything back right. And it does matter, man, because like they did teach me this Credit RX company, man, is that, whatever credit you got, let's say you got like $300 credit card, right? You want to spend about $30 a month on that. You want to spend about 10%, pay it off. You know what I'm saying? Then your credit will increase, you know what I'm saying? Then they give you more credit, credit line increase and stuff like that. So like I've already seen mine, I think, go from like one card, because I'm just starting out new, and they were saying like go ahead and open up some good lines of credit, you know what I mean? So I got like one card that's like $200. I spend like $20 in gas. Like I said, I got one that's like $300, so I spend like $30 in like eating or something like that when I go out to eat or whatever. And then I got another one that's like just a Christmas card. So like that one's like a prepaid card, and they just take like $35 a month, and they just put it on there. So like when Christmas comes, I'm gonna go take that money, and then I'm gonna go buy Christmas gifts with it, you know what I'm saying? Because it's a prepaid card, and I'm putting money on the card to actually have a credit line, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna spend some of that on Christmas, whatever. So like each one has its different functions. Like I even got like a rewards card. So like every time I go out to like get gas or groceries or any other little shopping around town or whatever, they give me like a percentage back, which is pretty cool because it's tied to my Capital One card. And I really like that because it gives me something back. You know what I mean? I feel like at least they give me something back for using the card. And it even works when I don't use my credit card. It even works when I use my debit card for my regular checking accounts, which is pretty cool because like I was like, well, dang, so I guess they got them both tied up together. So like my wife went and, we went and spent more money than we realized, or I realized this week. Come like I'm paying for all this stuff, man. Like I'm paying for her aligners. That was like $200, and then she need to go to the doctor. That's like $100. Then she need to get some cash out. That's like $60. And she went and got $60 at Target, and we went to the kids at Urban Air. And that's some more money. This is money, 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 money just going. And then after all that money's gone, at least I got a credit account to pay for stuff. Cause I was like, oh, just be careful whatever, cause it's getting low, you know what I mean? Cause there's only so much that I make every week to pay for everything. So yeah, that's kind of how it works, whatever. But I do want to offer y'all one of the codes to I think it's called a self credit card, and I'm going to be doing a different series. Well, this series on credit is going to have a different card. So let me grab my card real quick. I'll show you real quick. I don't even have a card for that one yet, so that's good because I'm just basically putting money up in an account. It's only $35 a month. I mean, really, yeah, it's gonna pay for Christmas. But I put money in an account for Christmas. I call it my Christmas account, and it's build my credit as I put money into it. And see, it takes like 3 months for me to put money into it if I even get the credit cards. I don't even have access to the money. It's just helping build my credit. You know what I mean? So that's how that one works, man. I'm gonna show y'all a link. This is a good way to build your credit, especially your credit is jacked up like mine was. I mean, I've had good credit in past and platinum cards and blah, blah, blah. But, and I was able to buy cars and all this and other stuff. So, you just got to be careful with it, man. Like, you got to make sure that whatever you buy is going to make money, or you can pay it off. I mean, you want to use like 10%. So that's what I've learned. I mean, I've used it to make it, through hard times and try to make money and blah, blah, blah. And it has got me to the point where I am getting more and more educated on cash flow, man. So I did have a big learning curve, a big learning curve. And it took me a while to figure it out, but now I got a good mindset, man, about it. So, I appreciate y'all hanging out, man. Checking this out, but I'll show y'all the link, man. Check it out, man. If you need to repair your credit, if you need to work on your credit, you know what I mean? This is a simple way. I think you can put like a minimum of $20 a month up. So like, it's probably too late for this year since it's November, but for next year, put that money up, man. Build your credit. You have a Christmas account, and boom, Christmas is already ready. Because it automatically comes out, and like $20, $30. I mean, I don't even miss that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna be doing for next year. That's gonna be my little Christmas count. Cause like after like I'll probably do like $50 or whatever, and that'd be $500, and that'd be enough to get a couple toys. As the kids get older, I mean, they want more stuff. You know what I mean? But my kids are young still, so. Well, I'll catch you on next one. I'll show you a new card.